Hello children, today we will learn new chapter inside my body. Human body is made up of many of the organs. You can see some of the organs from outside. But the organs which is present inside our body, we are not able to see those things. Right? See here. So our body parts are divided into two types. One is external part and another is the internal parts. What do you mean by external parts? The organs which we see or which we are able to see from outside, the parts of the body which we are able to see from outside, okay, which the parts of the body which are visible to our eyes, for them we call as external parts, okay, or external organs. Okay, so for example, you are able to see my head and the trunk part and my limbs. Right, in the head part, you are able to see my eyes, ears, nose, mouth, tongue, okay, neck, so shoulder, elbows, wrist, right, and my fingers, right, nails, hair, okay. So that this chest region and the stomach region and my leg part you are able to see, right. Those are all called as the external body parts. Okay, so now we will study about the second type, that is the internal parts. Internal parts means the organs or the body parts which are present inside our body. The body parts which are present inside our body and we are not able to see it from the outside. Okay, those are all called as internal parts or internal organs. Okay, organs means the body parts. Okay, internal parts or internal organs. Today in this class we will study about brain. Okay, where is your brain is located? Everybody have your brain, right? Yes, we all have brain. Where is your brain is present? Your brain is present in the head region. Okay, in the head region. Okay, your brain is present inside your skull. Okay, the bone which covers your brain is called as what? Skull region, the hard object which present in your head. This bone is called as what? Skull. Okay, inside that skull, your brain is present. Brain will look like this. Okay, what is the spelling of this brain? B-R-A-I-N. Okay, so brain, where is the brain is present? Brain is present inside your head. Okay, inside your head. Okay, which bone is going to protect your brain? Skull. Okay, which bone is going to protect your brain? Skull. What is the function of this brain? What it is made up of? Brain is made up of many of the nerves. Okay, millions of nerves. You can see like here thread-like structures that is you are able to see, right? That is called as the veins. Okay, veins, and many nerves are present. Many nerves are present in our body. Okay, from the toe to the head region. Okay, so all nerves are interconnected with each other and it is mainly connected to the brain part. Okay, and it is mainly connected to the brain part. What is the function of this brain? The brain is going to receive and sends the message to all parts of the body. Okay, brain is going to receive the message. Okay, brain is going to receive the message and it is going to send the message reply to all parts of the body and it will send the message to all parts of the body. Okay, see here. So brain is the internal organ that is present in your head region. Okay, it helps in remember and learn the things. Okay, it will acts like a memory in your CPU. You all know the computer, right? In the computer system, so one box will be kept aside, right? So that box is called as the CPU. In the CPU, we are going to store all the information in it, right? In the same way, your brain is also going to store many more information in it. Fine. See here, it receives and sends the message to all parts of the body. Okay, what it will do? So when you touch any hot object, okay, when you touch any hot object, okay, your body part will send, yeah, this object is hot. That message will send to the brain. Okay, the brain will send the reply. pull your hands back. Okay, brain will send the message, pull your hands back. Like that, your brain will sense and receive and sense the messages. Okay, brain help in functioning of all parts of your body. Brain helps in functioning of all parts of your body. For example, brain helps your eyes to see the things, nose to smell the things, tongue to taste the things, ear to hear, okay, skin to touch and feel. Okay, so inside your body also many organs will be there. Those organs are also connected with the many of the nerves. These nerves are connected to your brain. Okay, the functioning of the many organs will be controlled only through your brain. Okay, so this is all about your brain. Okay, so where is the brain is present? Brain is present in your head region. Okay, brain is covered by which bone? Skull. Okay, the bone which protect your brain is called as what? Skull. Okay, the brain helps in remember and learning the things. For example, you may be telling, so that day we have done that one, and our annual day was very nice in the last year, right? So how you are going to tell all those things? All those things are stored in your brain only. Okay, you are recalling, you are pulling the messages from your brain and you are telling those things. Okay, all those things means whatever the incidents was happened, all those things are going to store in your brain. Okay, so brain will help you to write, read, learn, to do work. Okay, it will help in doing all the works. Okay, it will send the message to do work. If you want to sleep, your brain will tell, okay, go to bed, right? So then you feel tired, then you will go to bed. Okay, like that, brain is the main internal organ in your body. Fine, children. So read your textbook once. If you have any doubt, you just give a call to me. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.